All right, so we're gonna finally get this guy out on the water. I got some final changes I want to do before I get it out. I had this old crappy filter system. We're gonna change that out for the Riva. Super easy. So that should help with airflow. So get this guy put back together. In addition to that, we're going to put on this straight pipe. So what it does, I already have part of this disconnected. So it just basically removes this big guy, completes this connection to down here. So it's more like a straight pipe is what it's called. This guy isn't very big. I can't imagine it doing too much to block the airflow, but I guess every little bit counts. So first test drive is going to be with the straight pipe, with the cold air intake, and then we'll see where we're at. And then I want to do the impeller and then the intake grate as well. But we'll wait till after the first spin to install those. So let's get doing. So they want you to take off the boots, disconnect them from the exhaust outlet. That seems like a pain in the butt, especially reaching up by the impeller steering area from the back to unscrew it. So I'm going to skip that part. I'm just going to take a Sawzall and I'm going to make an initial cut kind of right in the middle of that last boot. So once I get the exhaust baffle out, then I'll make the finer cuts on the boot, and then I'll do the install from that point. It should be easier than trying to unbolt the boot from the exhaust flange out the back. So we'll see how it goes. This is the baffle. It's a little heavy, but it's nothing. It's a little over 5 pounds or so. So we're supposed to cut this guy, I think about 5 inches in. So I'll remove this, we'll make that cut, and then we'll go from there. Let's see how it goes. All right, so it fits pretty good. I checked and it does fit on the actual flange in the unit. So, well, it turns out you actually have to remove the flange anyways. The boot has to actually rotate so it's pointing the right direction. So, go ahead and remove it. Install complete. It actually wasn't that bad. If you can see there, it looks kind of neat back there. Definitely remove the flange. Don't try to do it without it. It's impossible. Removing the flange isn't that difficult. You just got to get the screws down by the jet, so not a big deal. But once you get that removed, the cuts are easy. The install is easy as well. So let's get this thing out on the water and see how fast it goes. that's a good first pass. 54, 55 miles an hour it looks like. So more to come. Gonna do the intake grate and new impeller. Hopefully we can get up to at least 60, the low 60s I'm hoping for. So more to come, stay tuned.